Okay guys, so today was Divide and Conquer Part 1. Remember, Part 1 is going to be a 3-part series, alright? But today, what did we talk about? We talked about multi-digit division, alright? And to get into that, we have to remember how the standard algorithm works and remember those common errors that we went over. So I wanted to go over a couple right now and kind of get through it, okay? So remember, at the beginning, and I've talked about this before, but let's talk about our how to read mathematical sentences. So if I'm looking at a mathematical sentence, right, we're going left to right. So let's say that I have, I don't know, let's go 267 divided by, 267 divided by 12. Okay? We'll go 267 divided by 12. Alright, now remember when we're doing this, alright, this number right here, and let me get my red. Alright? This number right here. Alright? We'll write the whole number in red. So let's write 267 in red. 267 is our dividend. Okay? That is our dividend. Okay? And the 12, we'll leave it blue. The 12 right here is our divisor. Alright? Divisor. Alright, like the anchor. Okay? So we have our dividend and our divisor. So when we go to solve this, and I told a couple of you to write this on your papers today. So when we go to solve, alright, we know when we solve division problems, we use our little division symbol here. Alright? Some teachers, we talked about today, some people may have told you it was a house, or some teachers may have told you it was something else. Well, the question that everybody forgets is which one of these numbers goes inside here, and which one is on the outside. Alright? The dividend lives in the house, okay? The dividend is inside. So you should have your dividend, and you guys know I don't like the little things like that, but you know, whatever it takes for you guys to get going with this, alright? The dividend is inside, and the divisor is on the outside, alright? And as somebody said today, Michelle told me that the divisor is outside the house knocking on the door. Divisor at the door. If that works for you, use it. If it doesn't, just remember the divisor's on the outside, the dividend's on the inside. Okay, so as we work, okay, alright, if I'm working the standard algorithm, alright, and we're talking about that, remember we talked about that on the scales, using the standard algorithm, work through these multi-digit problems, alright, the standard algorithm, we're just talking about how you learn to divide, alright, we're going to go through the process. Some of you need to watch this because you're missing out on steps, so I'm going to go through this, I'm going to go step for step, okay, so I have 12. Will 12 go into 2? No, it won't. Will 12 go into 26? Yes, it will. Alright, so 12 will go into 26 2 times. 2 times 12 is 24. Alright? And we talked about this. Subtraction, because division, we link subtraction to it. With multiplication, we link addition to it. Alright? 26 minus 24. So 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Now, the most common miss, and I caught some folks doing it today. Alright? You guys have got to remember, alright? You guys have got to remember to bring this next digit down. If I say 12 into 2, put 0, and some people were doing this today, and I corrected you on it, alright? That is wrong. You have got to bring this next digit down. Now, when we were talking about it, I was talking about it with one of the students in 4th period, and he was having an issue with this. And I explained to him, this is now our dividend. Okay? This is now our dividend. So we've took 12 out of part of the dividend, so now we're working on the rest of it. We still have some left. So, 12 is going to go into 27. It's going to be the same. Alright, so 12 goes into 27. It's going to be 2 times. Alright? Like I said today, if you're having issues, make this 10, make that 20. 10 into 20, 2 times. All right, if you do 3, you'll find out that's too much, but if you do, it's fine. All right, remember guys, a lot of this can be trial and error. Whatever works for you. All right, you know, I'll teach you anyway as long as it works. All right, so 2 times 12 gives me 24 underneath. All right, 7 minus 4 is 3. Now, for today, and today only, I told you guys what? You can have a remainder. So that would give me 22, right? Because I have no more numbers, right? No more numbers to break down. So that gives me 22 with a remainder of 3. And tomorrow we'll find out why I'm only letting you use remainders today. All right? So this is how we use the standard algorithm, all right, to work down in our division. All right? We have no more numbers to break down, therefore we have our remainder. All right? Guys, work on this work. Remember, some of you, all right, need help. You got to remember, if we got to borrow, borrow. All right, it's just regular rules of subtraction there as we come down. All right? Other than that, this should have been a fairly simple lesson. Remember which one is your dividend and which one is the divisor, and you should be pretty good at these. Any issues we'll take care of in class tomorrow.